Let's try this again. Let's start Brazil. I have the hiccups. Oh my gosh. Cats movie is a fungus. Oh my gosh. I used to play this on my phone years ago. I admit I may have just re-downloaded it. Ooh, sweet. Oh my gosh, went over there. Oh my goodness. Cats movies infected thousands in Brazil. Not many in Pakistan, I don't think though. Insomnia symptoms, fine. Could evolve birds again, which is a pretty good one. I'm gonna save some points and wait a bit. Danish mafia, too powerful. Let's make it a little. Let's make it infectious while kissing. It literally only has one country. Oh, and they found the disease already. Okay. Brazil starts working on a cure? Okay, maybe right off the bat, I just need to spore a ton and then, let's see, what did it do? Maybe that's what I need to do. Brazil starts working on a cure. And it's pretty infectious too, so we have that going for us. Beforehand, we haven't done that in the other times. Okay. Kim and Don live stream Fortnite from Singapore. Kim Jong-un's playing Fortnite? What the? It's not doing very good right there. Paranoia symptom. Unlikely cooperate with others. That's fine. Kim Jong-un playing some Fortnite. Let's do another burst. Ooh, a fungal burst. It's going pretty well. Ooh, that one's expensive. 32. Cats movie has affected more people than the common cold. Let's evolve that so it can infect in high density areas. Chat, I like this game a lot. It's not really going well in Africa. Let's see, how's it going? It's kind of going. Okay, so. Can be fatal. I don't know if we want to do that yet. $29. Let's slow down research speed and make it cold climates a go. Chat, what do you think? Are we gonna do it this time? Oh, research speed is going too fast. Can be I just evolved one that could be fatal. I don't know if that was, I don't know if that was a good one. Let's do a burst. More work needed to develop a cure. Let's do another burst. Because there's all these burst spots right there, which means I probably need to be using these more. New Zealand has started in for a cure. I feel like popping the blue cure bubbles doesn't even like do anything. Any luck with fungus? No! Not yet, at least. There's one up here that I think makes it people in cold climates especially vulnerable. That's what we want. So, 22 DNA points. Made it harder to cure. I feel like it's just not spreading fast enough. Let's do another burst. Transmission abilities. Should be doing well in cold climates. Cure is 25% complete. So let's do this one significantly harder to cure and can be fatal. And then I should have done the water one. We need we need to slow down the cure. Why? Try the rats? I guess. So we need 37 points to slow it down. It's at 50% and we don't even have them. This is so frustrating. Do I need to go down to easy for this one or something?